Hey, who doesn't know the following animal? As we know, cows themselves are mammals that provide many benefits to humans. Cows are farm animals that are so familiar with humans. What is inseparable from our needs is good for us to consume as food. Almost everyone has eaten beef. Either cooked meat or meat that has been processed. What if the cows are sick or something happens to them? Surely we must quickly help them. Trying to help or heal and treat. Take care of him until he recovers so we can take advantage of the results of the cow. And here's a dramatic moment to save a cow. First, help lift the cow from the mud using an excavator. There's just this one cow stuck in the dugout. Luckily there's an excavator, otherwise who will help lift it? Two small children tried to pull a cow that was stuck in the mud, so adults had to help. Little boy trying his best to pull the cow stuck in the mud, but is the power still weak? Forced to ask for help from a more powerful one? Fortunately, there is a grown man who wants to help Yaya easily pull the cow from the mud. The three. A limp cow that must be lifted and evacuated by a luxury car. Couldn't bear to see a cow that was limp and left by her herd. A number of men with a loving heart tried to help the cow and took her in a luxury car. The four. A cow wrapped in a garbage rope and helped by several youths. Can't bear to see a cow that has been injured due to the entanglement of garbage. These compassionate and loving youths are touched by the heart to help and treat it. It's really dramatic. And taken to the place of treatment to be treated until healed. Hopefully those with noble hearts can be an inspiration for all of us to maintain balance and the survival of animals and humans. Hopefully this video is useful and an inspiration for all of us. Don't forget to like, comments and subscribe to this channel so it can continue to grow.